Now, last time we have covered up to 44, mission number 44, that is trigeminal neuralgia. Trigeminal nerve is a part of facial pain, any facial pain, and also a toothache also is sometimes covered under the trigeminal neuralgia. Okay, so this audio I will be giving so that you can revise very fastly, so that speciality of each remedy you will come to know. Okay. Now I wanted to tell you very special thing about the next remedy. Like mix 45 is a atomic radiation, and everybody have given the 108 combo book, right? There is a one special note in the 16th miasm chapter. There what they are telling is, if you charge with the base material like water or pills with 4 important numbers, it will protect from any radiation, and the effect will remain forever. For example, you see the mixture number 45 is atomic radiation, and SR 324 is X-ray. If these two generally combinations are put into the pills or water, it will protect from all sort of radiation and exposure to any electromagnetic waves. Okay, what is there written here? I am just will read. NM45 atomic radiation, SR 324 X-ray is a combination which is used to charge the initial alcohol to protect all combination and remedies against electromagnetic radiation. We have done this for all combos listed here. Some practitioners, however, prefer to use the following combo in place of the above. What are the 4 remedies? One is atomic radiation, another is divine protection. Fifth is, next is, the third one is the peace and love alignment. I generally used to tell, if peace and love is there everywhere, and there is no war, no disease, like that. So Soham 5, peace and love, and Soham 6, stress, and Soham SR 324. This is available on our book, page number 37. Because everybody given you the book, so you just note book that page number 37. This is a base combination. Before adding any other vibration to it, if you are adding this, it will be protected from any radiation, mobile radiation or TV radiation. Okay, like that. So this with reference to mixture number 45 and mixture number 46. So atomic radiation 50M, when also this can be given if someone gets a headache by using the mobile phone. If someone is having the habit of sleeping with a mobile phone in the under the pillow or somewhere very near, so that time we have to ask them and we can prescribe this for the prevention of radiation. And atomic radiation 50M once a week to as a safety measure if atomic fallout is present 3 times per day. As I already told you, I think so last time, I remember. So in case of any nuclear war, you must remember that this is the best remedy. Let us hope that there should not be any nuclear war, but as every country is prepared to, so we will also be prepared for that. Allergy to 200, cleansing residue pesticides, insecticides, carbon monoxide. So this is basically the the chemicals which are already we are taking in the form of fruit, vegetable, and other sources. So allergy to 200 mixture number 46 is basically for cleansing residues of pesticides, insecticides, carbon monoxide. Okay, once a week as a safety measure, if subject to exposure to these factor, 3 times a day if affected until symptom clear. Cataract compound. Mixture number 47, cataract for the dissolving the cataract. For the cataract, there are many remedies. You can add all those remedies and make a super cataract remedy. Okay. And even you see in this cataract breakdown, they have even added the matured cataract in the potentized form so that even it can dissolve that. 3 times a day is the dosage. And next is vitamin I compound. Vitamin I compound is a must for all sort of eye problem. Even let eye problem is there or not, if any minor problem in the eyes also you can use it. And some people ask me vitamin A, B, C, D, vitamin B12, B, like that. So you can see we have to go through the breakdown and remember. So in a vitamin A, B1, B2, B6, C and D are there in the vitamin I compound, and means other than the eye, even it can work on the bone also because vitamin D is there. Jack Oleum is a wonderful remedy for bone. Okay, that is also added. So you can think that vitamin I compound not only for eyes, even for the bone also. Like that, by going through the breakdown, you have to decide what is the coverage of this remedy. Okay, next is mix number 49, just chest tonic. I already told you that there are many chest remedies we have already gone through, but the best one means based on the chesty children, means anemic and chesty children. They are weak. Such children can take the chest tonic 200, mixture number 49. It is as a background remedy. If someone is suffering thin and in such cases, you can use this remedy. And epilepsy, mixture number 50, epilepsy works all the cases of epilepsy. Epilepsy, but epilepsy, there is a lot of caution to be given. And as we, spiritual healer and drugless therapist and vibronic practitioner, we are not supposed to advise them to stop the allopathic medication. They can take along with that, but not purely, or you can say, don't say just leave it, take only this. We should not be there because it is very difficult to treat and even very difficult to analyze what are the basis. And some hypnotherapist and past life regression people definitely can go into it. What is the cause for that? And definitely you will be able to solve those problems. Yes. Our Guruji is online. I thank you, sir. And we will plan your class also, sir. Okay. Okay. 1 second. I'll unmute. TK.
Okay, sir. You continue.
Yeah, I will take your time, sir. Okay. Saigal method will learn from you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay. So then earache. Mixture of 51 is earache. In all earache cases, we should take along with the earache, we should take a ear balance. And I told you if there is any pus from the ear, or you can say if there is any discharges from the ear, we should take a VAR 1M. And if there is a suppressed, if ear discharging, then use the drawing pill. If there is a discharge, use the drawing pill and let it draw completely, then we can replace it with the ear balance. Then use the drawing pill in place of ear balance. Okay, so I told you the drawing pills is that's such a wonderful thing. It will take out everything and dry. Okay, for such thing we can take. And for more details of the remedy, how we have to do? We have to go into the breakdown: capsicum, verbascum, pulsatilla, chamomilla, and pain. Pain is a general MGA pain, that from the numerical materia medica. And how to study the materia medica? By going through the earache combination. Now what you have to do, when opening, after opening the capsicum number, capsicum materia medica, you have to only read the ears only. Don't read so many other things. That time you will get confused. You will think that it is not the remedy for ear. So what you have to do, capsicum, go to the ear section of that the materia medica. I have already shared the free version of the boric materia medica. Go through that. And capsicum, what it does in the ear area. Verbascum, beautiful remedy. Pulsatilla, and you have to go to the pulsatilla and go to that. Yes, pulsatilla, and go to the section of ear only. Sriram sir, that is repertory. You have got another book, boric materia medica. So in that one, what you have to do? You have to go to the verbascum. Some whatever the ingredient given here, you have to open that name into that book and go to the ear section of that. Then you will get the details how it's going to help in the ear combination. So next is 52 is a left-sided pain. All pain left-sided, acting as a palliative while the cause is being treated. Okay, anything about the left-sided pain, left chest pain, left shoulder pain, everything it is covered under, in acute condition, 6 times a day or generally 3 times a day. And right-sided pain, and all right-sided pain of the body as a background remedy, finding the cause. Till the time you are finding the cause, you can take it. Later you have to see how it is going to help you in the right side. As a right-sided remedy, you have to go into the Bryonia, Sanguinaria, Chelidonium, Sticta, and Strontia. Strontium carb.
So left side and right side means...
To the details of the materia medica, I already shared the one materia medica. In that one also, you can go into the depth. Spasm. All spasms in any part of the body, palliative until the cause is found. Spasm is just like a nerve contraction. Any nerve contraction, pulling of the things, you can use the spasm. And next is mixture 55, menses pain. This is self-explanatory. Mixture number 55 is for pain, the menses pain. Along with that, what all you should give? Why menses pain will be there? Because there is an irregularity of menses. Along with that, if required, you have to give that also. And even general pain also, like that you can cover up in this. So menses pain is to be given in the pain during the menses if it is there. And menses bleeding. Mixture number 56 is menses bleeding, excessive bleeding of the menstruation. You have to, this is specific. Again, I'm telling you, you want to go into the deeper level, whether this particular combination will help my client. What you have to do, you have to go into all the remedies and don't see any other section. Go to the only female organs. Just like a millefolium. After taking millefolium, go to the female organs, and there you see what are the symptoms are there. Then you can confirm And if you give, that definitely works. Sabina, Ipecac, and phosphorus bleed less, last long time. Slight hemorrhage from the uterus between the menses. So like that is also given here. See, one of the cases you must tally, then only it will be cured. Or you can say, this is the law of cure only. Like cure likes. You have to see whether it is in this particular remedy, this type of symptom is produced or not. If it is produced, then it is going to cure. Okay. And heart palpitation. See, you just don't go by the name of the combination. We have to go inside, and works on is very important. See, heart palpitation 30 works on any abnormal condition of the heart. So you can give it any abnormal condition of the heart. Once there is an excessive palpitation, घबराहट बोलते हैं हिंदी में, कई नॉर्थ इंडिया में घबराहट हो रहे बहुत दिल बहुत जोर से धड़क रहा है, ऐसा बोलते हैं. वैसे in that cases, let it be any condition, we can give the heart palpitation. And hand rheumatism, mixture number 58 is a hand rheumatism. Wrist rheumatism, hand rheumatism is called it. ये सब जगह में ऐसा आता है. When you are holding something, you getting pain here, yeah, sprained like thing. In such cases, you can give the hand rheumatism. And see, what happens is hand rheumatism, you should not only give the hand rheumatism. If bone is involved, give the bone eye. If pain is there, you can give the pain tenem. Like that, you have to cover. Just if you give the hand rheumatism only, it may not give you the quick result. I can say it will give you, but surely you want that tomorrow, कल आएगा जो वो बोलेगा हाँ मैं थोड़ा ठीक हूँ, and he will give you the sufficient time to decide what to give next. वो एक को अपनी कोई मेडिसिन दे के भेजा तो उसका you have to do the homework. वो क्या था, whether did I give the right remedy or not, इसको क्योंकि उसको बिठा के तो नहीं कर सकते आप भेज दीजिए. Then you can go through the breakdown details whether this type of symptoms is there with him or not. So based on that, we can decide. So in the wrist rheumatism, you have to give 6 times a day. Then when improvement is there, 3 times a day. And mixture number 59, pain in any part of the body. So even this is such a wonderful thing. Even potentized pain remedy also they have added into this. Potentized pain remedy also, pain medicine, allopathic medicine also they have added, so that it can see there can be a question. So can we do like this? As a drugless therapist, definitely we can do like this. We can't give the direct remedy, but we can give the thought of that. How to give the thought of that? Take a Brufen or any remedy, medicine, painkiller. We can make that in a small bottle. Copy it and give. It is accepted in our drugless therapy foundation, because we are only giving the thought of it. We are not using the exact same remedy. We are using thought of it. Even the Ayurvedic remedies thoughts can be infused into the water by potentization. Put in the inwell, the Ayurvedic herb, give that into the output. So give this in you want to copy in the raw form, you should give in the lower potency. What is the lower potency? Up to 12x potency we can give in case of Ayurvedic combinations. But here you are not giving any direct, you are not allowed to give direct any Ayurvedic remedies, but definitely you can give the copied, or you can say thought of that Ayurvedic remedy can be given in the just 6S form. But here what happens is, since there is no any raw material, means physical level it is not there, we need to adjust in the dosages. अगर आपको ओरिजिनल आपको 3 टाइम खाने के लिए बोला है तो इसको 6 टाइम देना चाहिए, बिकॉज देयर इज नो एनी फिजिकल फॉर्म, ओनली थॉट फॉर्म जाते हैं. अनंत सर, यू वांटेड टू आस्क समथिंग?
Yeah, sir, you told about Ayurveda, but in case if it is allopathic medicine, then what is the potency? It is also 12x or
No.
something.
See, I already made the potency chart, MG chart. So you can use the MG chart. MG chart, or you can say Mata Narayani advises in the 200 potency.
Fine.
So all allopathic medicines can be, allopathic medicines when potentized works in 2 ways. One, it removes the side effect of the allopathic side effect. Second one, it works because we are copying the birth chart of that medicine into our water. birth chart मतलब क्यों, किस लिए बनाया, वो उसका एग्जिस्टेंस का रीजन क्या है, वो कॉपी हो जाता है उसमें.
सर
तो हाँ, मॉर्फिक फील्ड भी बोल सकते हैं, उसका रीजन फॉर एग्जिस्टिंग भी बोल सकते हैं, वो कॉपी हो जाता है. सो दैट we are not exactly giving the same thing, we are giving the thought of that for the reducing the pain, like that we can definitely give. Okay.
Sir?
Yes sir.
Sir, is there any Vibronic rate list of some important those medicines?
See, Vibronic rates are there. See, you can go through our numerical elementary medica, many brufen and paracetamol, so many things are there.
Okay.
But what I'm telling you, this is not what I wanted to tell you. This is I wanted to tell you that you can give the thought of the remedy by copying in our 2-well machine.
Okay.
You can see, I have done like that with a very fantastic, what you call Makaradhwaja. Makaradhwaja, 1 tablet cost you 150 rupees.
Okay.
So that is with the Suvarna Bhasma Yukta Makaradhwaja. That, that potentized our, one of, is there in our group, Dr. Ghanekar, Kedar Ghanekar from Pune. He is using the potentized Ayurvedic medicine.
Okay. Okay.
He is doing actual potentization in the grinding and other thing. But we are fortunate to know nothing, no need to do. We will not violate from our own whatever aims and objects. Within that, we will be able to give the effect of, like Vasant Kusmakara Rasa, 1 milligram will cost 500 rupees. How can you give that to poor patient? So we can use that, and you can just copy the thought of it, and definitely if you give that, it is going to give some result, because there is no any physical form in that. So we have to adjust the dosages accordingly. Okay. Any doubt, sir?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. So herbs, mixture number 60 is a herpes. Herpes, in our language, sometimes it is also called sarpahunnu, sarpahunnu, like that also it is called.
Yes, sir.
It's like a very blisters aate hain, and even it is worse for even chicken pox. Anywhere you find that if there is a eruption and within that there is a serum like thing, liquid things like it is there, that is there, then this combination, herpes combination can be used. Herpes means herpes ही होना ऐसा नहीं है, उसका जैसा लगा, क्योंकि this combination is made based on the law of similars, वैसा दिखने वाला. तो इस तरह से you can use the herpes. herpes कैसा होता है? Itching, सिक्कापटे itching होता है, and pus formation sometime होता है या नहीं होता है, that blisters आते हैं, and vascular condition, it is for a vascular condition. Herpes उस समय, how skin will look in this case when you go to all these the breakdown remedies into the skin section. याद रहना, इधर उधर जाएंगे तो आप भटक जाएंगे. भटक जाएंगे means you will be lost, because that materia medica is a samundar है, वो समुद्र में मोती ढूंढने का जैसा. So you go, suppose in the herpes they have mentioned the sarsaparilla. Sarsaparilla, you have to go to Sarsaparilla and only see the skin section. Once वो skin section में कुछ tally हो गया, then और भी देखना. If you want to be double sure, you see other पेट में जाइए और legs में जाइए और other जा करके, if you can confirm that, then no need to give full combination, you give only Sarsaparilla. That time it will work better. Like that.
Okay.
So like that you can make. So
Sir, I have a question in this.
yes, ma'am.
So why do we have to refer to Metrica Medica just to see whether ये जो breakdown है, the medicines that are given? उनके
Yes,
symptoms
see,
देखें?
correct. Because in the breakdown, it is only one sentence is written. You want to go to the depth of that problem, whether this combination is covering the exact symptom of that patient or not. To cross verify, if you go see, actually why Vibronic works is when you tally the patient symptoms closely and think about healing that time healing happens. आपको पता है कि जैसे कि आप देखिए प्राणिक हीलिंग, रेकी हीलिंग में क्या होता है? You first scan, you find out that no, there is some problem. Then you assume that okay, cleared, and put in the violet fire. Then you say now it is cleaned, logged, like that. See what when you say this, or we can say feel this, that healing happens automatically.
Okay, sir.
So as closely, as deeply you think about this and try to solve, it will give you the result.
Okay, so we just need to study the symptoms in depth, whether ये सब है कि नहीं.
Yes, that is good. No, always. So if we get the autism symptom, there are 10 remedies. There are so many problems. Like a Bratacarb is for attention deficient. And Bratacarb, I have one patient here. He holds the hands of his father all the time. He can't leave it. So he feels unshaken. This is the Bratacarb. After giving Bratacarb and CM potency, he is better. His father says, my son is better. So likewise, we have to go, what is the symptoms in that particular disease? We should not, like a herpes, we cannot classify and give herpes mixture. It will happen, but when you want to work classically, when you want to work systematically, go out of that, go into this one, and we have some more big books like a synthetic respiratory, or you can say Murphy's respiratory. In that one, they have given for autism also, they have given on 20, 30 remedies is given. But that time, what you have to do, go in that remedy, how does it affect, whether those symptoms are available with our patient, just check. If it is, then we can definitely, surely, instead of going that all the combination, we can give one that group, one that particular remedy, wait and watch, and then we will, if there is a change, then we can continue. Like a hyperactive children. Hyperactive children, what is the remedy in our tarantula cubensis? Tarantula, और एक्चुअली क्या करता रहता है वो हमेशा, मीन्स रेस्टलेस पर्सन, इधर उधर जाना, वो करना, वो ये खींचना, ये खींचना. This is like a restless thing. Is a tarantula cubensis is the remedy. And another thing. So you can say dap-da-da, like then when you one more symptom is there of the tarantula. When someone start banging, एक कोई ये बज रहा है ना, बैंड बज रहा है, डा डा डा, you will start dancing along with that. That is the tarantula. If someone starts singing with some song, that is Crocus sativum. Crocus sativum. Crocus sativum is, what is that? Crocus sativum. This is the saffron we use for food and payasam and all. No, that is saffron. if it is, you go to that Crocus, so it's sativum is a botanical name, and see what it created in the healthy human being. वो कोई गाना लगा तो उसके साथ उसको गाना ही है. Yes, ऐसा है तो that is Crocus sativum. Likewise, based on the disease, we should not classify. Below that, you see what are all the remedies suggested, whether these symptoms are there with us, with our case or not, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Then next, very important is for mixture number 61 is acne, mohase or pimples. Okay. And in this one also, there are so many things we can use along with this. Skin with or without pus formation, and the excellent for young people who are extremely emotional, fainting, laughing, crying, drama, upsetting the body's acid balance. Use hysteria balance and sugar balance along with this. ठीक है ना? Acne is a मुहासे, pimples जो होता है, उसके साथ साथ आपको बहुत important है. You don't see anything. Just whenever you are selecting a group, go to the usages and then direction. There they will advise you. Hysteria balance also should be given, and blood sugar balance also should be given, because excess of some sugar increases the pus formation actually. So we can, even though there is no any sugar problem, if we balance the sugar, it will reduce the acne. TDS over the long period. For acne, it should be given for the long period. Diet is important. No rich foods, sweets and cold drinks. Clear है? ये पहला बोलना उनको, क्योंकि अभी क्या होता है कि generally there is a remedy, there is a blank remedy, no remedy at all. Even sugar, a small sugar, grinded sugar can be given to a patient, and saying that this will help you. You should take it with the milk. Night while sleeping, you should take with the milk. So he takes very sincerely. ऐसे ही milk पियो बोलने से नहीं पीता वो. आप what you give the sugar, he puts in the milk and thinks that this sugar, this is a remedy to be taken only with the milk, and he becomes all right. He becomes all right because of milk, not because of sugar.
Because of milk.
Because of milk. So you have to use such techniques basically. And for all infertility cases, we use anjeer. Anjeer hota hai na, dry anjeer. That should be given for all men, for especially men, it should be given. And for a woman, that durva should be given. That is a Ganesh ka jo chadhate hai na, kaun sa hai wo? Garke, durva has to be given. That is to be boiled and taken, because Titrica rapans, as per the Dr. Powell, Titrica rapans clears the fallopian tube. Titrica rapans is a category of the couch grass. Same. Dhruva. So that if you take, so likewise you have to use some technique, and you have to karma ko bhi nikalna hai, karma bhi kam karna hai, so that if someone comes for the issue problem, not having a issue, then we have to tell them, wo karo, ye karo, kuch santana gopala mantra bolo, so that, it is since like it will be just like a santana gopala mantra will be just like a one radionic number, because rishis and saints, they have infused the quality of giving the issues, means बच्चे देने का उसके अंदर पावर डाल दिया उन्होंने. So जितने लोग उसको यूज करते हैं, that has that particular power.
Sir, those who are they have to chant that mantra, or they have to use that vibranic rate?
See, there is no Santana Gopala mantra, we can create and let them take, but कर्म निकालने के लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, उसका कर्म कड़ी लिख के, we have to say that you कम से कम 11 बार बोलो, 21 बार बोलो, या 108 बार बोलो, based on their capacity.
Okay.
आपको पता चलेगा ना ये कितना सिंसियर है पेशेंट। बहुत ज्यादा सिंसियर है तो 108 बार बोलो, कम सिंसियर है तो 21 टाइम बोलो। और भी मॉडर्न लड़कियां हैं वो दे कांट डू, दे श्योर कि ये नहीं करेंगे, you tell 11 times. Like that you can use your own this thing, so that all these are the, all mantras are nothing but a radionic one compositions. So I always used to tell urvarukamiva bandhanat mrityor mokshe amamritat करके इसमें है। हर बार वो सौती का बोलने का जरूरत क्या है?
Yes.
और बार वो कुंबड़काई जो है कि जैसे वो पकने के बाद वो रिलीज हो जाता है, वैसा मेरे को ये मृत्यु से रिलीज कर दो करके बोलते हैं। हर बार वो कद्दू को नाम लेने का क्या जरूरत है?
Yes.
नहीं है। दिस इज समथिंग, उसका उच्चारण में समथिंग स्पेशल बनता है, वो हमें नहीं पता।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so that is what we have
Right.
to say like that. That has got a means you should not go to the meaning, that word to word meaning of it, but we have to that sankalana complete, the मार्कंडेय ऋषि जो बनाया वो सोच के बनाया, और कद्दू का नाम बिल्कुल सोच के वो लगाया। ठीक है, इस तरह से।
Yes. Fine,
So then we'll come back to our topic, that is mixture number 62 is a wonderful combination, wonderful, because I have solved many allergy cases, dust allergy cases by this. इसके साथ साथ क्या देना सब नोट करिए as it is, otherwise you are going to get this audio note of this book, this conversation. Allergy B200 इसमें क्या क्या डाल करके बनाया? फेदर्स डाला, ग्रास पोलन डाला, हे डस्ट डाला, हाउस डस्ट डाला, हिस्टामिन एंड लैक्फेनालिनम डाला। ये डाल करके this they have made this combination, है ना? So this one is best for dust allergy because they have made the remedy with the dust only. Someone was asking me that someone was asking me, see, how can we potentize the hair से कैसे बनाना है? हेयर से नोसोड बनाना, लाइक ब्लड से भी नोसोड बन सकता है, एनी लाइक सलाइवा से बन सकता है, एनी सिक्रेशन ऑफ आवर बॉडी, we think that there is a cause in it, cause of the disease in it, we can potentize into 200 potency. How to potentize blood is there is a video in my channel Prabhakar Toravi. You can go through that and read, beautifully explained, and you can make anything. So allergy, why I am talking in the chapter of allergy, I have seen in just of one of my neighbor had a non-vegetarian allergy. कुछ भी वो खाया हो तो वो छोड़ते नहीं खाने का, लेकिन जो भी हुआ तो suddenly they used to get rashes and all. Then what I did, just I took one drop of his blood and potentized to 200 potency and gave that remedy to him, and he is free. कम से कम last around 1 year say he is free. Last 1 year back he came, now he is totally okay. How I did is, one drop blood, take with a lancet, diabetes checking, one drop you have to take. That's exactly I have shown in my channel. You can go through that and you can make it. And if you make a common practice of giving blood potentization, wonderful. You can do that. If you think there is a very horrible disease, or you can say we don't know what is happening, that time you can just make a one drop of blood. You can potentize. If there is a TB, if anything, anything is there, that it will be potentized and you'll give him some support. Okay. So allergy, along with that allergy, what I give for the sneezing and other thing, hay fever is there. Mixture number 19, hay fever. And allergy balance is one of the, we are coming to that. Allergy balance is a fantastic thing. And if you think there is a sinus and cold and all, you can give sinus balance or sinus 6x. So you have to find out not only allergy, along with allergy, what is all happening. You add into that, there's no problem. Okay, so this is how I do, and it's where I'm very successful in that. Even I'm telling you, the dust allergy thing can be very well controlled by these spiritual remedies. Next, very important remedy is 63. Mixture number 63. Blood, immune system, and gland and bone. This is very important. I tell you, everybody who is crossed 50 years and come to for the support, or you can say for asking for the spiritual support or vibronic remedy, you have to give 3 remedies, 4 remedies. You just note it down. 4 remedies has to be given. One is mixture number 63, and another is mixture number 90, another is uplift, and OM7. Because we are not supposed to sit and do and sanitary job. We are not supposed to do this.
Please repeat, sir.
We were designed to, I will tell Vallang once again, sir. We are designed to
Sir,
work
sir,
with
please
field.
repeat.
Yes, mixture number 63, mixture number 90, Soham uplift, and OM7. समृति जी, आपका जो माँ अम्मा अप्पा आपका दोनों को ये खिलाइए. They both need this remedy.
Sure, sir.
क्योंकि ये खाते रहेंगे ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, विटामिन की कमी नहीं होगी, हार्ट स्ट्रांग रहेगा. ओके ओके, देन नेक्स्ट रेमेडी, बैड टेम्पर मिक्स. ये बहुत अच्छा काम किया है
सर.
बैड टेम्पर मिक्स मतलब किसी को गुस्सा आना.
Well,
श्रीराम सर, ये नहीं डाउट.
Sir, is the mixture number 53 or 63, sir?
63.
Okay.
Mixture number 63,
63.
backup. You see,
Yes, sir.
everything is there in that. Anemia, blood
Okay,
sugar
sir.
balance, glandular
Okay, sir.
fever, beautiful is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next is bad mixture, bad temper mixture. I have, it has done a miracle with many people. लेकिन अभी क्या बोलता है ना कि वो हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ आते हैं जब भी फॉर कंसल्टेशन, जैसे मेरे हस्बैंड को बहुत गुस्सा है, तो क्या है ना, तो उसको मैंने बना के दिया, तो ही हैज बिकम नॉर्मल. तो दिस इज बैड टेम्पर मिक्सचर. बैड टेम्पर इज जनरली इन acupuncture what governs the anger. Liver governs the anger. Okay, so they have added liver mixture, Naxomica and Staphylococcus aureus, and suppressed emotions, violent outburst of the passion, and very sensitive. I have seen this bad temper mixture for गुस्सा के लिए, सडन गुस्सा के लिए. तो ये बहुत बढ़िया combination है. It has worked many times. And bedwetting. Next is bedwetting. बेडवेटिंग आप लोग जो प्लास्टर लिग्रेशन वाले, इसको बहुत अच्छा यूज करना है. आप देखिए कि उसके अंदर क्या है, वाई इज बेडवेटिंग हो रहा है, बिकॉज इसमें जो दिया है वो इतना ही कंप्लीट इससे शायद नहीं होगा. दिस इज रेमेडी मे बी यूज फॉर एनी यूरिन प्रॉब्लम व्हेन देयर इज अ नो कंट्रोल ओवर द ब्लैडर और ब्लैडर पैरालिसिस. यूज विथ CB7, वार, गन पाउडर. फॉर इन्फेक्शन using for bedwetting in the conjunction with the KBS. Fantastic. You have to go through the usages and what are the instruction. Just by the name, don't go. Please go inside. And you see, inside means usage. They have very well mentioned. Bedwetting ko kahan de sakte. Not able to control urine also can be given. And if there is an infection, generally urine infection causes malaria-like shivering. Pakka taka, whole body will be shivering. That is one of the symptom of the urine infection also. In such cases, best what is the remedy with us? KBS, war, infection, Soham infection. Whenever I say that is Soham infection, that should be thought of. Okay. That is another combination. Bilharzia, I don't know. Bilharzia. I don't know about this. I never treated this and I have never given any remedy for this. Okay, we'll see if we come across, we'll definitely think about it. And yes, very, very important mixtures we have come to, that is mixture number 67. Many time I told you in our this one, when explaining about mixture, if any calcium imbalance is there, calcium excess or calcium deficiency is there, 67 number is mixture number 67 is to be given. When all it can be given. When all it can all be given when there is a hysterectomy, if that uterus is removed and other thing, or after menopause, they can use this calcium mixture. See, in the calcium mixture, they have already added the Bonai mixture, calcium fluoride. Already we saw that one, and calcium phosphate, calcarea phos, or caliphos and parathyroid. Parathyroid control balance the phosphorus and calcium content in the blood. So very good, very important. After menopause, any calcium like vitamin D, like uska replacement नहीं कह सकते, uska supporting के लिए we can give calcium mix is wonderful, है ना Harmeet madam? Calcium mix is very important for those who are there is a what you call porosity. Porosity means bone agar strong nahi hai, bone agar brittle hai, in such cases we can give mixture number 67. Please go through the details of that, very nicely explained, and usko देखने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि हर एक को mixture number 67 देना जरूरी है, ऐसा लगने लगता है, because everybody we come under one or other clause in this, expectant mothers also. It is must during the entire 9 months. You can give this calcium mix into the pregnant ladies for the calcium support. Accident in any injury, all cancer patient is a must. You see, beautifully explained. Okay, there will be a calcium loss, and this is what is the spiritual support. I am telling, we are never claiming anything we do from here. Cataract compound, we already talked about two other cataract compound. This is also one of the most wonderful cataract compound, and our combinations of for eyes are very successful. We have done many miracles have happened. I don't say miracle हमने किया है, लेकिन हुआ है. Red bone marrow and interferon, ruby red, fantastic things are there. Cataract compound, wherever you see eyes and cataract, and you can add those things. And is this was made in India for the doctors who are doing field work on only on eyes. The base is our cataract compound and eye balance. See, likewise, you can give the cataract compound and eye balance can be given very fantastically with a very good success. And number CB8, you come across so many nervous problem, nervous patient. So in such cases, you have to give one of the most important nervous remedy is CB8, because aconite, argentum nitricum, arnica, gelsemium, ignitia, caliphos, they are very good combination of the nervous system. nerve का specially क्या होता है, नींद नहीं आना और नस में problem आना. You can give, see, our vibrational support can be given. ये अगर वो सूट नहीं भी होता है तो भी दे सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं होगा. Either it will help or it will not help. I mean, what I mean to say is, उनको जरूरत है तो लगेगा, नहीं है तो it will not have any problem. Okay, in that way.
There is no harm at all.
Yes, there is no harm at all. So CB9 is specially for the respiratory centers, chest and respiratory center. We have seen, sir, there are so many chest remedies, but what is the special in this? You can see that no, CV9 has got bronchitis and is a little bit of more serious. Give over a long period, strengthen respiratory system. Complete respiratory system strengthen करने के लिए you can give this. You can add another chest remedies also. Because you have seen in the our 108 combo, they have mixed everything. So everything particular to that particular organ. For that, in that way we can do it.
Sir, one
And-
question.
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಈ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗಿನೇ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆಟ್ಲು ಬೇಗ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಸಿರಿಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು ಏನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೆಡ್ಮಿಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು ಏನು ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ತೋದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡದೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, you take the OM7 for 15 days and just after 15 days you tell me how you are.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Means I have seen OM7, Padmanabh sir, I have seen one person is coming with a full breathlessness. When he used to come, our clinic is in the first floor. When he used to come, the first floor, he used to have a full breathlessness. And we gave them OM7 only. With the OM7, within 15 days, he became all right. All right means he is very comfortable. He was that much discomfort was not there. So it's a very good remedy. OM7 means heart. Even heart, minor blockages will be there. That also will create this breathlessness. And you can take the chest pills also. And you can take a CB9 also. Because another combination is there, the cardiac and lungs. Because that will take care of both. Okay, you can think about it. And CCA, mixture number 71, CCA, chest, cough and asthma. Chest, cough and asthma, it is a wonderful remedy, which for with any cough people, you can be given. I generally give the mixture number 71, which helps a lot because it even covers the dry cough and even wet cough both. Okay, 6 times a day we have to give this remedy. Next is cleansing mix. Cleansing mix is mixture number 72, cleansing the body, detoxify. There's a command. Detoxify command is there. Compound antidoting the allopathic drugs and chemicals and insecticides. Diazepam compound, the compound antidoting the allopathic drugs and chemical and insecticide. And see, cleansing mix is fantastic thing. Some of the things they don't come into our mind, that those things are cleansing mix. If someone has come with a lot of drugs after taking a lot of medicine, and he want to get rid of this side effects, definitely you can give cleansing mix. Cleansing body for allopathic drugs have been used. Drug addicts, smokers, drinkers, enduring to stop the habit, give with booster. Entire system is low. When in time the booster is mixture number 63, also called as a booster. They are telling cleansing mix you can give along with the mixture number 63, so that it will give the strength and it will detoxify. Okay, next is mixture number 73, crop. Crop is also one sort of cough only, but crop is very strong in nature. Just like you can say suffocating cough. Even it is arising from the crop is generally arising from the throat. Spasmodic crop, worst at night, child wakes suddenly, cannot expire suddenly, like suffocating things will happen. That time we can use spongia as one of the beautiful remedy. In the crop, worse during the inspiration and before midnight, breathe short, painting and plug in the throat like that. So you can definitely go through see, when you have a confusion, go in the details of the usages and also the breakdown. Breakdown means what are ingredient added to that. Go to that material and confirm whether the person is having this telling his symptom with this or not. Okay, next is DB mix. Diabetes mix, it is for pancreas and the diabetes. So DB mix 6x. For all diabetic patients, essential to see their diet is correct. Diet is correct. Even diabetes is also called as a carbohydrate intolerance. So you should reduce the carbohydrate and take more low carb diets. So definitely we can control both, having, we can control both. Next remedy is mixture number 75. Debility. Backup is also there, even uplift is also there, and when to give debility is that is a little confusion. Debility means extreme weakness. It can be given, generally you can just think one way is that a low blood pressure. For a low blood pressure, definitely we can use the debility. Debility मतलब पूरा debilitate होना ही करके ऐसा नहीं है. You can want to tune the entire system, definitely you can give. Especially you can remember one thing about one remedy is it is for a low blood pressure. Okay. So next, very important, another important is that 76 dyspnea. Dyspnea means choking up, not able to breathe. Okay, in that one you see, for example, it might have been a very good remedy for the corona period. People getting choked, not able to breathe, or oxygen level is to fall. Okay, so chest and lungs here also. You have to go, that's what I'm telling you. There are 10 remedies for the chest and lungs. How can you differentiate them? Which is more strong, or you can say which is more effective for that particular person? We have to go as per the breakdown, tally with the materia medica, and then confirm that is the real this is a one-time job. Once you understand when this is to be given, wherever I will tell you in one sentence, whenever someone is choking, not able to breathe properly, that this is the must. Dyspnea is a name itself is that not able to breathe properly, like so this is a breathe, shortness of breath, like that. Definitely this can be used, but these are all serious problems. Let a allopathic or any registered doctor be there in their view, and along with that they will be monitoring that person. Along with that we can give this as a spiritual support. First thing is you should be safe and not to have an over confidence. Yes, have a confidence that but what is our limitation we should know and do work within that our limitation. If he is under some doctor, definitely you can give them this support so that his remedies will work better. Ear nerve mixture, auditory mixture number 77. Ear nerve mixture, auditory nerve and inner ear. Ears and hearing are often affected by shock, emotional, physical. You can trace ear problem into shock. This remedy will prove excellent if there is a pain. Use earache mix in conjunction with it. Okay, ear nerve and earache. You can both. You can use. Another remedy for epilepsy: fits, blankout, dizzy pills, dizzy spells. Dizzy spells means suddenly blankness will be there and not able to see anything, or you can say just like a kannige katli barodu atara. So it means अंधेरा आना, आंखों के सामने अंधेरा आना, इस टाइप का कोई फील मतलब उनको लगता है, that time you can give this as a vibrational support. Flu pack. Flu pack is a very good remedy because it has got the fever and as well as a CCA. Flu क्या होता है? Cold cough fever. Cold cough fever. This combination is called as a flu pack, and This is a very good remedy. That is a Flupac 10M. You have to see when to give Flupac, when to give the GFM, when to give the fever balance, or when to give the infection, Soham infection. If you don't know, all you can mix and give. No problem.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Next is gastromix. Gastromix is the generally loose motion and the vomiting. It is referred here. It is referred as a mixture number 80 is a gastroflu mixture. They call the continued vomiting and loose motion. This can be used. Gastric, gastric generally in layman language we call the dakarana, like a erectations and acidity we call as a gastric. It is not that. For that we have a mixture number 29 and acidity 37. Like that we can use. Here gastro means vomiting and loose motion. And glandular fever mixture, it's also called the lymph mixture. You know, lymph, we are going to study about it because I have started in a different way this time. So we are going to study about immune system is very important. That time I will tell you how the lymphatic system is very important in the immunity. So glandular, any glands, inflammation, infection like a tonsils or like an armpit, there will be any lymph node enlargement. When lymph node enlargement is when it happens? Whenever there is a infection. Okay. Another very important remedy is, because everything is important here. So mixture 83 is important when you get a shock or emotion and grief. Kisi ka in family, someone within family, or you can say within friends circle में कोई अगर मर जाता है, we will have that बहुत ज़्यादा दुख रहता है, दुख होगा. वो दुख से क्या होता है? Sometimes you don't get sleep, you don't get, so many problem will come. So emotion and that grief is such, it will affect all your other system. Even heart, it will be affected, nervous system will be affected, digestive system will be affected. So if you just ask, keep generally, while case taking, you have to ask, was there any mishap within your friends or the family? Why? Because they will be depressed. उनका चेहरा देखने से ही लगता है कि वो दुखी है, दुखी आत्मा, you can say. दुखी आत्मा अलग है, सिर्फ दुखी रहते हैं. दुखी आत्मा means they are born depressed. वो नहीं है. These are only due to some circumstances made them this way. Okay. But in that case, excellent remedy is a grief mixture. Grief mixture, if you give, definitely they are going to recope with such condition. They become strong mentally, physically, and emotionally. Next, important for all, that is 84, mixture number 84, hair tonic. Hair falling, hair thinning, wonderful for dogs and even cats who have become shabby. Dogs ko bhi, and our remedy works for even animals, and same thing for animal and we human being, both. So wonderful remedy, hair tonic. You can say hair tonic के अंदर क्या क्या डाल सकते हैं. हेयर टॉनिक अगर आया तो, अगर मैं पहले भी बोला था आपको, अगर किसी ने हेयर प्रॉब्लम के लिए आपके पास आया, हाउ डू यू ट्रीट हिम, हाउ डू यू मेक अ रेमेडी? First of all, you should think that if a hair problem is there, is it due to emotional problem? Is it due to the nutritional deficiency? Is it due to the mental shock, or you can say mental tension, or it is because of hormonal imbalance? These are main 4 categories. You have to think why it is happening. So why accordingly you have to cover these for the hair. How do you, for example, if a hair problem is due to the hormonal imbalance. How you do it? Either you take a OM female, OM male, or you can say Soham male or Soham female you have to add, so that it will cover up it will balance all the endocrine. So next one is, if it is a nutritional deficiency, hair fall will be because of nutritional deficiency also. That time you have to give backup mixture number 63, mixture number 90, and uplift you have to give along with the hair tonic. So likewise you have to cover up. And third thing is, if it is due to any tension, fear, or you can say depression, or you can say anything, anxiety issues. So you have, that we have to add along with the hair combination. So you have to see, if you see only hair mixture, if you give, there is 50% chances are there to you get a result. You have to think in this way and cover the other areas why this is happening. Okay, is it because of the water, that salty water, or you can say hard water? That time you have to advise them to use the mineral water bath and see, for head only. And in these experiments are done in our house, so they are very successful. So likewise I'm telling you, so you have to find out the cause and give the solution. Headache, blood pressure. Okay, blood pressure, headache. So blood pressure, you already, people will be with the blood pressure, they will be under remedies. And see, along with that, what all remedies to be given? You see, that's very important. See, VP mix is very, very good, and our the senior most whom we give the Lifetime Achievement Award, he is from Mumbai. He has got a lot of confidence on the VP mixture. If you give VP mixture, so many things will be solved. That is what is given here. Along with the blood pressure mix, you can give trigeminal neuralgia mix also, and circulation mix also, or VP, veins and pipes mixture also. And okay, next number is 86, mixture number 86, immunity. Immune system. Why this is helping the immune system? Because it is taking care of the thymus gland. And they have also added one virus bacteria of the translase card also they have added in this. So it will take care of any intruder, and it will take care of thymus gland also. Caliphos is one of the most nerve remedy. Interferon is the body's own immunity in whatever organ is affected. Gunpowder holds the infection. This is a milder nature of the immunity. It is helping in it. When this can be used, any immune deficiency illness, when the body is low in ebb, when many antibiotics have been taken, in any chronic malignant condition, use with the backup and excellent pair. I told you, because one of our patient was in the last stage of cancer. We gave only backup, uplift, and nutrition. Only this we give, and he was in the palliative care center. At the end of their life, they go there, and she's back from that palliative care. They say, "Itna jaldi nahi marne wali. You go to home and come again whenever she has that problem." So that means such a wonderful thing it is. It has helped. Okay. Then measles आपको सबको पता है कि छोटे बच्चों को होता है. That measles MMR they are already taking बच्चे क्या बोलते हैं इसको वैक्सीनेशन लेते हैं, फिर भी कई लोगों को हो जाता है. That time you can use this in case of measles. But as soon as we suspected some rashes type, you can, if you give it, it will have a definitely erase from the what do you call root cause. Okay. Next is mixture 88, Meniere's disease. Meniere's disease is that there is in ear, there is a balancing fluid. Because of ear problem, ear blockage, if you get an imbalance or vertigo, that time Meniere's disease is useful. In this one, this is a very good one. Remember, Meniere's disease is the vertigo due to the ear problem. You can use this. Okay. Now, next is mixture number 89. Mouth and gum mixture. This is a very, very good mixture because many times it is given a wonderful result. Any mouth ulcers, or you can say any mouth related thing, bad breath and all, is already given. Mucous membrane of the mouth and gums and palate, we can definitely use this. Okay, and again I was telling you same thing. Mixture number 90, nutrition. Why this nutrition works? Nutrition mixture number 90 works. Let us see. Because it toning up the entire system. Even alpha is used. Amino acids and compounds, potentized amino acids and compound, they are using it. Avina Sativa and backup mixture 63 is also put into the mixture number 90. There will be one question. Even already they have mixed mixture number 63. Again, are you supposed to give the mixture number 63? Sriram sir, you remember?
Yes, sir.
What do you remember? Keshava, Narayana, Madhava, like that.
Yes, you told me, sir. Yes.
Yes. So you have to, even though they have mixed the 63 in the mixture number 90, we have to give this 63.
Yes.
So combination 12. 12,
yes.
All 12 tissues are also added. Vitamin I compound is, see, vitamin I compound, we have saw how wonderfully they have covered it. So that also they are adding in this. Multiple mineral amino acids also allopathic compound potentized. They are using in the mixture number 90. Such a wonderful it is, I am telling you. Very good high potency tonic is mixture number 63, 90 and uplift and YM7. Okay. Paramedic rescue. In any shocked condition. Any shock condition means injury, rescue and shock. For any injury anywhere in the body, shock condition, shock, sudden drop of energy, any reaction due to emotional state, this is another remedy to give to rescue patient when a sudden shock hits them. Another must for your handbag. This should be ready with your handbag. Okay, give every 5 minutes to reduce with the improvement. How this paramedic rescue can be given in case of any injury, sudden shock, stroke, sudden drop in energy, in such cases can be given. Okay, mixture number 92, that is post-nasal drip. Post-nasal drip, we have seen there are so many the remedies connected to the nose and the cold and hay fever and many things. This is one of that. That is post-nasal drip. Means what happens is sometimes the mucus collects into the throat and every time he has to spit out the throat, spit out this cough. So in such cases, this can be given. The post-nasal drip and 6 times a day, then reduce as it gives you the benefit. So next, mixture number 93, prostate mixture. Prostate mixture is the, like every woman, they come into that menopause. Even men also undergo such menopause, or in such cases, these they are going to get affected by the prostate enlargement. So in such cases, this is a wonderful remedy for prostate enlargement. It should be given along with the viscum album compound and carcinosin. Always give KBS or kidney balance along with this remedy. This is very important. Whenever just by the heading, don't go to the usage, and there they will suggest what it should be taken along with what all the combination they will tell. And pterygium. Pterygium, you know, anybody knows the pterygium? What is pterygium? I don't think anybody knows, because there is a in eyes, along with the conjunctiva, there will be additional muscles developing. That is called a pterygium. So that, you know, उसको बोलता है extra mass आना आंखों के अंदर, आंखों के जो white portion के अंदर मास टाइप का ग्रोथ होना, इसको बोलते
Yes,
हैं
sir.
pterygium.
Red extra growth, redness.
Extra growth on above the white conjunctiva.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
That is called as a pterygium. And along with this, you have to take the scar tissue also. Along with this, you can use this remedy, and also Thuja CM once a week you should take. Ratania, tellurium, thiocyanum is one of the most important remedy, and Thuja CM is one of the important weekly ones we have to give. Next, rescue plus CM. See, we have seen paramedial rescue, and rescue CM is another remedy. And psychological emotional condition, aconite, crataegus, and netramure, and rescue remedy. This is super rescue remedy. You must be all batch flower remedy practitioner. They know about this rescue remedy. So this is a most wonderful remedy. Along with the rescue remedy, they have added crataegus, netramure, and aconite. Scar tissue. One of the most wonderful result giving remedy is this. That is a scar tissue. ये कब यूज होते हैं? Anybody knows about keloids? Keloids मतलब जहां भी सर्जरी हो जाता है वहां पे गांठ बन जाता है.
Yes.
Accumulation of that, accumulation of scar tissue there. को dissolve करने के लिए this is the most wonderful remedy. I have seen very good result with many people.
Okay.
And even I myself took this, and I had a fall very long back. With that, that hump was there here in my shoulder. That is gone. With mainly I used to take this scar tissue. And another one of my patient is having a scar formation in his mouth.
Oh.
He had a surgery due to some extra growth, and he's removed it. But after that, due to the faulty operation, that jaws are not opening.
Oh.
He was biting his jaws, because wherever the stitching, that has made the scar formation, and he was not able to open the mouth. Now, after giving, his cheek bite has reduced totally.
Okay.
So now,
Super.
with the scar tissue, this remedy, he can eat easily, though there is a lot of problem is there because of a faulty operation, and but he is happy with our remedy.
Oh.
जैसे ही खत्म होता है तो फिर आ जाता है, मेरे को बोलो, मेरे को दे दो, उसका मेरे को काफी दिन से इसका फायदा है करके बोलते रहते हैं. तो लाइक दैट वो चलता आ रहा है. ओके. नाउ sciatica mixture. Sciatica, there is a sciatic nerve, and it goes from the back into the feet. That if nerve is having problem, thighs, pain from the lower back to thighs to feet is a sciatica. Along with that, you have to give what is the reason for sciatica. Rheumatoid arthritis is there, or bone disability is there, or a bone decay is there. So you can, as just now we studied mixture number 67, that also can be given along with the RA200 and sciatica mix, and also pain mix. आप एक चीज को आपको एक्सप्लेन करना, उसके अंदर क्या क्या है. साइटिका में क्या होता है? पेन होता है, और तो उसका बैक से पैर तक जाता है. और क्या होता है? बैक में भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. इसको OM18, OM31, OM32 दे सकते हैं. We'll come to that also, so that why it has created the sciatica, how it can be designed, how we can design a remedy so that it take care of all the subparts. Okay. Shingles and herpes zoster. The shingles condition, this is a very एक्यूट होता है, दिस नर्व डिसऑर्डर, स्किन कनेक्टेड रहता है लेकिन ये नर्व डिसऑर्डर हैवी बर्निंग होता है, इट इज अ हॉरिबल पेन होता है, इट कैन बी वेरी पेनफुल, long process, give blood and immune system and this thing, also give the remedy nervous tension as it drains the nervous system, calming stress balance, it horrible है. Shingles मेरा भाई को हुआ था, he was far better when I transmitted this shingles remedy to my brother. Okay, I used it with a very good success. Next immediately he felt there is a lot of reduction in the burning. Okay, so sinus 1x and 6x, all nasal sinus, you know sinus, how to find out? Just raise this ऐसा नाक उठाना और टॉर्च डाल के देखना, there will be mucous membrane infection रहेगा, मतलब enlarged रहेगा, they will be almost closed. This in such cases you can use the sinus 1x or 6x. और skin F, देर आर स्किन का 4 पर्टिकुलर रेमेडीज है, कब कब यूज होना है आप देख लीजिए. स्किन 100 इज यूज फॉर एक्जिमा, ब्लिस्टर्स, समथिंग oozing out like that. That is mixture number 100. And this also like a bacillinum is there, like a ringworm. ringworm मतलब ये गोल गोल सा ईचिंग होता है, and even thighs के बीच में भी होता है due to the humidity. That time skin F can be used. Okay, because tuberculum bacillinum is there, that is why we can use it for the any ringworms like things. Can be used with the herpes mixture also. We have seen burning and the itching will be there in herpes. That also, this also can be used. अगर वो नहीं है, because we have only labeled those disease. All diseases have the symptoms. If that symptoms is covered in under this, that will be cured. Okay. Skin H. Skin H is H for, you can remember horny things. जैसे कोड होता है ना, कैसा होता है? If any horn, any animal horn is there, it will be hard and pointed. So you can think about it. Dry skin condition. Skin H is horn. You can remember about horn, or you can say that it is a mixture number 101 is for the dry condition. Like dry scales is there, psoriasis is there. Dry psoriasis, another remedy is there, but it is a cracked and dry and cracked hard hand condition can be used. Dry skin anywhere on the body, this can be used. Okay, mixture number 102, skin itch. Itching anywhere in the body. Skin itch can be used for many different reasons, especially old age itching, because so beautifully they have added many remedies. Like Dolchicos is basically for old age itching, Croton Tig is for intense itching, like that. Many itching remedies they have added, and you can ease, if any itching is there, you can add along with that, you can add these remedies also. Stinges and bites, it's especially for कोई भी कीड़ा काटता है तो उसके लिए. And you should know that if अगर किसी को सांप काटा तो आप उसको सीधा इसे मेडिको लीगल केस, उसको सीधा गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल ही भेजना है. डोंट ट्राई टू स्टिंजेस एंड बाइट्स उसको दे दो और रेस्ट करो, जाके सो जाओ बोलने से वो परमानेंटली सो जाएगा. हाँ, so इसलिए you should know what are the medical legal cases, and first of all we should not handle independent cases. ऐसा अगर वो खुद का आता है तो अलग बात है, but we should insist that he should be under some guidance of the doctor. And जो हम कर रहे हैं उनको इफेक्ट हो रहा है, ये भी एक जज करने के लिए वो भी जज चाहिए ना हमको, हमारा काम हो रहा है कि नहीं. So likewise, and I already told you in the दरबारी मिक्सचर बोलने के टाइम में बिच्छू काटने का, आपका दिल्ली में इतना शहर के अंदर बिच्छू कहाँ मिलता है ना? बिच्छू नहीं मिलता. इतने आदमी रहने के लिए जगह नहीं है, बिच्छू कहाँ रहता है? रोहित जी, आपके यहाँ बिच्छू है?
नहीं सर, यहाँ नहीं है।
नहीं है?
ना,
हेलो
यहाँ नहीं।
हेलो, ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ, ಬಂದೆ ಸರ್, ಒಂದೇ ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಹಾ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ. Okay, so next one is the mixture number 104. Mixture number 104, that is top 50m. We will continue next class from mixture number 104 because it's a very important one. It is very important for all students and other in this one. So just reading is a not thing, connecting with the other combination is very important. ये आपको बार बार सुनना है and